Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an Italian restaurant. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two restaurant servers and their guests. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many years has this restaurant been open? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Lily. You're here early. That's a great sign for a new server.
Good morning, Lucas. I could not sleep well. This is my first real Saturday shift, and I am a little nervous.
That is normal. Everyone feels that way at first, but you have been here for 3 months now. You know more than you think.
I hope so. There are so many tables to remember, and the menu is long.
Take a breath. Come over here. Let me show you today's list of guests.
Wow, that is a lot of names. Is every Saturday this busy?
Yes, every single one. Saturday is our busiest day of the week. About 30% of our weekly sales come from Saturday alone.
30% from just one day?
That is right. Lunch will be steady, but dinner from 6 to 9 will be crazy. Every table will be full, and people will be waiting at the door.
Okay, I will be ready. What should I focus on first?
First, learn the table numbers by heart. When the kitchen calls out, "Table 12," you need to know where to go without thinking.
Got it. I studied the floor map last night.
Good. Second, smile, even when you are tired. Customers can feel your energy.
I will try. Anything else?
Yes, one more thing. Today is a special day for our restaurant. It is our 20th anniversary.
20 years? Really? I did not know that.
The owner does not make a big deal of it, but it is true. 20 years in the same building with the same name.
That is amazing. Will we do something special?
A few old friends of the owner may come by tonight. Just be your best self. That is the best gift we can give.
Okay, I will do my best.
I know you will. Now let's open the doors. The first guests are coming.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Bella Italia. Just one today?
Yes, just me. Same table by the window, please. I always sit there.
Of course. Please follow me. Here you are. Would you like to see the menu?
No, thank you. I will have the usual.
The usual. Let me think. The Caesar salad with grilled chicken, no small pieces of bread, and a glass of iced tea with lemon. Is that right?
That is exactly right. How did you know? I do not remember telling you.
I am new, so I read all the notes about our regular customers last week. Your name was at the top of the list.
Well, I'm happy to hear that. You are new, but you already know my order. That is good service.
Thank you, sir. That means a lot to me. Lucas told me you come here every Saturday.
Every Saturday for the past 12 years. I live just 2 blocks away. This place feels like a second home.
12 years? That is a long time. You must have seen many changes here.
Oh yes, the menu has changed, the staff has changed, but the food is still good and the people are still kind. That is why I come back.
That is so nice to hear. I will bring your iced tea right away. Would you like bread while you wait?
Yes, please. And tell Lucas I said hello.
I will. Anything else for now?
No, that is all. Take your time. I am in no hurry today.
Thank you, sir. Your food will be out in about 15 minutes.
Perfect. And Lily,
Yes, sir?
to welcome you to the family. You are doing a great job.
Thank you so much. That really made my day. I was so worried this morning.
Don't worry too much. A kind heart is the most important thing in this job. The rest will come with time.
I will remember that. Thank you for being so patient with me, sir.
Of course. Now go take care of your other tables. I will be just fine right here.
Before I go, sir, may I ask you something? What is your favorite dish here after 12 years?
Good question. The Caesar salad, of course. But the tomato soup in winter is very special too. The chef makes it from his mother's recipe.
His mother's recipe? I did not know that. I will try it when the weather gets cold.
You should. And ask for extra bread. It's the perfect match.
I will remember that. Thank you, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Bella Italia. My name is Lucas. I will be your server today.
Hello, Lucas. Before I order, I need to ask something important. I am allergic to gluten. Do you have gluten-free options?
Yes, we do. Thank you for telling me. We take food allergies very seriously here.
Oh, good. Some restaurants do not really understand. They just say, no problem, and then bring me bread.
I promise we will not do that. Let me show you our gluten-free choices. The mushroom risotto is fully gluten-free. So are all our grilled meat and fish dishes.
The risotto sounds nice. Is it cooked in a safe area?
Yes, I will tell the kitchen right away. They will prepare it in a separate area with clean tools and a clean pan. There will be no contact with bread or pasta.
Thank you. That makes me feel safe.
That is our job. We always take allergies seriously, and we want you to enjoy your meal without worry.
I appreciate that. Many places just give a warning and leave it to me.
We do not work that way. I will also tell every kitchen worker, not just one. That way, no one makes a mistake.
You really know what you're doing. Thank you.
You are welcome. Would you like a salad to start? Our house salad has no small pieces of bread and a simple olive oil dressing. It is safe for you.
Yes, that sounds perfect. And some water with lemon, please.
Of course. One small thing. Do you have any other food allergies, like cheese or eggs?
No, just gluten. Cheese and eggs are fine.
Good to know. I will write that on the order ticket too.
You are very careful. I will come back to this restaurant for sure.
Thank you. I will be right back with your salad and water.
Hi there. Welcome to Bella Italia. A table for 4?
Yes, please. 2 adults and 2 kids. Do you have a high chair?
We do. Let me bring one. This way, please. Here is a nice table near the window. The kids can watch the cars outside.
Great, thank you. They get bored very quickly.
I understand. Here are some crayons for the kids. And the kids' menu has games and pictures on the back. They can color while they wait.
Oh, thank you. That keeps them busy until the food comes. This really helps us.
I am happy to help. For kids, our most popular dish is the chicken tenders with French fries. They come with a small drink and a cookie.
That sounds perfect. 2 of those, please.
Great. And for you and your wife?
My wife will have the lasagna. I will have the spaghetti and meatballs.
Excellent choices. Would you like anything to drink? We have lemonade, soda, and iced tea.
2 iced teas for the adults, please. And the kids' drinks come with the meal, right?
Yes, that is right. Apple juice or milk for the kids.
Apple juice for both. Thank you.
Got it. The food will be ready in about 20 minutes. The kids' meals will come out first, so they do not have to wait.
That is very kind. Thank you. We've been here a few times before, but the service today feels extra good.
Thank you. That means a lot. It's my first big Saturday shift.
Really? You're doing great. We'll tell our friends about this place.
That's the best gift you can give us. I will be back soon with your drinks, and if the kids need more crayons, just wave.
Will do. Thanks again.
Here you are, 1 mushroom ravioli. Enjoy your meal.
Wait, this is not what I ordered.
I asked for the pesto pasta, not ravioli.
Oh, no. I am so sorry. Let me check the ticket. You are right. The order says pesto pasta. This is my mistake.
I've been waiting for 25 minutes already, and now I have to wait again?
I understand, and I am really sorry. Let me fix this now. I will go to the kitchen. Your pesto pasta will be the next dish. It will be ready in 10 minutes.
10 more minutes? I'm very hungry.
I know, and I am sorry. Let me bring you some warm bread and olive oil for free, and dessert is free for you tonight too.
Oh, that is very kind of you. You don't have to do that.
Yes, I do. We made the mistake, not you. It's our job to fix it.
Thank you. That's a nice way to handle it.
Would you like to keep the ravioli too, just in case you want a bite, or should I take it away?
You can take it away. I don't want it to make me less hungry.
Of course. I will bring the bread in 1 minute, and the pesto pasta will be out as fast as possible.
Okay, thank you for being honest about the mistake. Some places just blame the kitchen.
We don't do that here. We're a team. If I serve the wrong plate, it's on me.
I respect that, really.
For dessert, we have tiramisu, chocolate cake, and lemon sorbet. Please think about which one you would like. I am sorry again.
No problem, I'll pick one after the meal.
Thank you for understanding. I will be right back. Good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Walker. I am an old friend of the owner.
Of course, Miss Walker. We have a special table ready for you, right by the kitchen window. Please follow me.
Thank you, dear. And before I sit down, I want to say something. Happy 20th anniversary.
Oh, thank you so much. That means a lot to hear, especially today.
20 years. Can you believe it? I remember the opening night like it was last week.
20 years of cooking, 20 years of stories. The owner is very proud, but he does not like to talk about it.
That sounds like him. He never wanted a party. But did you know? Most restaurants close within 5 years. 20 years is not common and very special.
Yes, we feel very lucky. The owner says luck is one part, hard work is the other part.
He's right about that. I saw him work 14 hours a day in the first year. He almost gave up many times.
I did not know that. I have been here for 5 years, and he always seems calm.
Now he is calm, but not back then. Tell me, who is your new server? I saw a young woman running around.
That is Lily. She started 3 months ago. Today is her first big Saturday shift.
She looks nervous but happy. Please send her over. I want to say hello.
Of course, she will be so pleased. She has worked very hard today.
That's good to hear. A kind new server is a gift to any restaurant.
She really is. The guests like her already. Mr. Stevens told her she is part of the family.
Oh, Mr. Stevens is still coming every Saturday? That makes me happy.
Every Saturday, same table by the window. Some things do not change.
And for tonight, please surprise me. Whatever the chef thinks is best. I have trusted this restaurant for 20 years.
I will tell him right away. He will be honored.
One more thing. Tell the owner that 20 years from now, I plan to come back for the 40th.
I will tell him exactly. Please enjoy your evening, Miss Walker, and thank you again for coming.
Thank you, Lucas. Here's to 20 more.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many years has this restaurant been open? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.